Very briefly into the McCulloch and Pitts and the VLSI neuron model. So MCP model is a classical perceptron model. It's used in the most neural network models like the MLP, the multi-layer perceptron, and Hopfield network. Many of the neural networks are actually based on McCulloch and Pitts model, but the use of other activation functions, for example, Adeline and self-organizing maps use linear activation functions, and then you have the RBF, which is radial basis function, adopts radial basis function. Neural networks are pretty much suitable for VLSI circuit implementation. The analog approach is extremely attractive in terms of size, power, and speed, and a neuron can be realized with a simple amplifier, and the synapses are realized with a resistor. So a memristor, many of you may have heard about that name, is a two-terminal passive circuit element that acts as a variable resistor whose value can be varied by the varying current passing through it. And we haven't touched the spiking neural networks yet. They're actually also the foundation of many neuromorphic chips. So basically, a spiking neural network, a lot of things that happen inside our brain are not captured with the linear models such as the classical perceptrons. They have limited functionality and are pretty bad at linear discrimination, good at linear discrimination tasks, but not really great and capable of solving nonlinear problems such as the XOR problem, etc. Now, hardware implementations of spiking neural networks can be pretty useful for a variety of applications, like ranging from high-speed modeling of large-scale neural systems to real-time behaving systems, and also bidirectional brain-machine interfaces. So a whole lot of things so I'm trying to include a whole lot of things, from top, give you a bit of perspective of what is possible with all these neural network models. Looking back into the history of MCP, and then moving forward and looking today at the CNN and a bunch of other models, we should realize that there are a lot of new things that are coming from the past. So giving you a bit of visibility into the past makes sense. The videos the extended lecture is going to be on our LinkedIn group and also on our website. So just take a quick look at it and see what you think about it. I'm still kind of struggling with the real sort of, sketch program. I'm trying a bunch of sketching programs so I can do some screencast. So these are on Zoom. I tried something with Zoom, so I hope, they make some sense. I'll keep adding a lot of other lectures and see you guys in the next class.